If you're having friends over or attending a potluck and you have literally no time to prep food, this is the recipe you want to have on hand. This cherry cheesecake dip takes like 5 minutes to prep and it tastes almost identical to cherry cheesecake. You're gonna start by adding 1 8-ounce block of room temperature cream cheese to a medium-sized mixing bowl. I like to loosen up the cream cheese a little bit before I add anything to it, so I'm just gonna mix this on medium-high speed for like 30 seconds. Now we're gonna add 2/3 cup of powdered sugar. For this one, you wanna start mixing on low so you don't end up covered in sugar. Now to make it extra creamy and silky, we're gonna add 1/3 cup of vanilla yogurt plus 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Mix it up. Now this should taste pretty much identical to cheesecake. Now we're gonna make the cherry topping. Here we have 2/3 cup of cherry pie filling going right into a little mixing bowl. We're gonna brighten up that flavor with some fresh lemon juice. Just squeeze half of a lemon right in and try to catch any of those seeds. And then we're gonna add a little pinch of salt. Stir it all up. I'm actually just using a little miniature pie dish for my serving vessel. You can use any small round dish you have. And you'll just add that cherry pie filling right over the top. To plate it, I like to offset the cheesecake dip on a platter and surround it with pretzels, graham crackers, vanilla wafers, and strawberries for another little pop of red. Some pretty little shortbread cookies, and that's it. So gorgeous. If you love a good party platter and all things dippable, be sure to check out my dips playlist next.